If you want to search for a song on OnePlus 15R, you can use Circle to Search to do so. So in order to activate Circle to Search, you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar if you use the gestures for navigation, and if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then you want to press and hold your finger on the home button. After holding for a couple of seconds, you can activate Circle to Search, and then we have this music button. If you tap on it, then your phone will listen to the background, so you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the song title with the artist, of course, and you will get Google search result with that song. And besides that, you can also go ahead and open the control center or quick settings, then tap on this pen button in here at the top, and then this plus in the upper left corner. Now we should be able to search for the song search over here, and we can add it to the list, so you can use this button instead. It is exactly the same thing, but it might be just a little bit more convenient to use. Leave a like and subscribe.